Good morning, Mr. Bozio.
Hello, Samara. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I have some questions want to ask you. How many machines you have purchased from SteviS?
Well, at the moment, we have purchased three machines from SteviS. These are CNC laser cutting machine, handheld laser welding machine, and welding robot.
Okay, so what was the main reason that you initially chose SteviS and kept placing new machines from us?
Well, we as a company have some experience with purchasing machines from China. We have purchased a few machines several years ago, and when uh, the time for us to buy a laser cutting machine, we decided to look for such a machine on the Chinese market. Initially, we had talks with 5 companies, all of which producer of such type of machines, and actually the SteviS machine was the one that met all our technical requirements. The price was okay, and we have decided to place an order.
Okay, thank you. So how do you think our machines performance and in terms of improving the work efficiency or productivity?
Well, machines help us a lot in improving productivity and efficiency. They help us a lot also with improving the quality of our final products, and we are actually very happy with the results that we have at the moment.
Okay. So do you feel that our machines are competitive in terms of the price and performance ratio?
Yes, very competitive.
Thank you. What do you think of our pre-sales and after-sales service?
Well, you have actually a very good team. Initially, when we placed the first order, we got all the responses for our technical and paperwork questions. We got all the responses in time. Also, all the answers that we get were very accurate. And this was one of the reasons actually that we decided to buy machines from SteviS.
Okay. So how about this time me and our engineer come to your factory to get some training for you for the robot welding machines. Can you comment our service for that?
Yes, great help, very nice. Actually, the engineer helped us a lot with teaching us how to use the welding robot because until this moment we don't have the experience in working with such type of machines, although we have very good technically qualified people working in our company.
Okay. So have you recommended SteviS machines to your friends and why?
Yes, I have recommended SteviS machines to several colleagues in the metalworking branch in Bulgaria. And as far as I know, 2 of them have already purchased machines, and one of the machines is actually already delivered.
Yes. Thank you so much for your continued support and recommend us to other customers.
Thank you.
So the last question, what specific suggestion or feedback do you have for our products or service?
Well, main suggestion that I can give you is to find a really good trading company in Bulgaria that can help you with selling your products on Bulgarian neighboring markets. It is also important for this company to have capabilities to do some technical service of your machines, and also it will be very nice if they can have at least some of the consumables needed for the machines to have them in stock.
Okay, thank you very much and hope our machines will help you increase your production and your business and we have a long-term partnership with you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much. Thank
Thank
you.
you.